We have made it to South Florida, Hard Rock Stadium. Dolphins and Jaguars, for only the 9th time ever they get together in this state of Florida battle.
Go, boy. Come on. Break that up. Break that and get a W.
Hey, go out there, have fun, and the biggest thing is play for your brother next week. Play for your brother next week. I love y'all boys. We don't know what opportunities we gonna get. But these right here, I'm taking advantage of them with y'all, dog. Because I don't know when we gonna get them again. What up, baby? Same thing. Back on stomping grounds, baby. Miami, let's roll.
It's a shovel pass to Bolden right in front of him. He'll walk into the end zone for the touchdown. They ran a little shovel pass to Brandon Bolden and an easy 4-yard touchdown pass for the Dolphins to start the scoring here at Hard Rock Stadium.
Hey, Stockton, let's go. Let's go, man. Stockton, let's go down score.
Shotgun on 3rd and 6. Dropping is Kessler. Fires it out to the left side. Rashad Green has the catch. Should have first down yardage. Nice work by Kessler to Rashad Green. Little stop route into Miami territory. He's got it near the 44-yard line of the Dolphins and a first down Jacksonville. First and goal from the 1-yard line. Offset eye. The give to Fournette running the left side into the end zone. Touchdown. A 1-yard touchdown run by Leonard Fournette.
It's the defense that's supposed to be carrying this team, but after the defense falters early, march right down with this Jaguar offense, finish it off. Nice run off tackle left by Fournette.
Great drive. Hey, keep rolling. Keep rolling. Turn it up, turn it over. Hey, start fast. Hey, turn it over. Turn it over first. Turn it up, baby.
7-7 game with 1:22 to play in the half. Tannehill drops to throw. He is going to get hit. He's going to get sacked. The Jags got him. Jacksonville reared its head. Calais Campbell got him inside the 15-yard line.
Well, you talk about one of the greatest free agent signings, maybe the greatest free agent signing in Jaguars history. That's 23.5 sacks.
Hold on, Jeff.
In 31
games.
There's
never been a better one.
The 9th sack of the year, 23.5 in 31 games as a Jaguar. Gets a snap. Hawk gets it away. Pretty good punt. Westbrook will field it inside the 20-yard line. Starts to his left, now back to the middle of the field. There goes D.D. Westbrook. Got a little bit of room to the 35, to the 40. D.D. Westbrook along the far sideline. What a terrific return guy this is. The punter makes the tackle near the 38-yard line with 4 seconds to play in the half. Terrific run by D.D. Westbrook. 56 yards for Kai Forbath. Coco put it down. Forbath, as though he mishit it. He had a line drive that he just kind of missed it. So the kick is no good, and we have reached the half. Jag 7, Dolphin 7. $8:40 to play in the third of a 7-7 game. Under center is Tannehill. Inside handoff to Bolden, and I mean to tell you, Calais Campbell blew it up and came up with the ball. They say he's down by contact. I wouldn't mind seeing that one again myself, though. He tackled him in the backfield.
Calais pulls Bolden down, and then ends up with the
fumble.
ball.
They need to throw the flag.
And he did throw the flag to Doug Marone. He threw the red flag.
After review, prior to the runner's knee hitting the ground, the ball came loose and was recovered by Jacksonville.
What a play by Calais Campbell.
And I think we got robbed. It should have been a touchdown. He wasn't down.
I've been taking that balls all year, and I've been coming out, so I wasn't sure if it was out because I've been pulling them all year. I should have been scoring though, man. Touchdown, man. I wasn't sure, man. I should have got up and win anyway.
Dropping the throw. He gets away from one sack, but he can't get away from the second. Yannick Ngakoue got him. Tashawn Gibson held him up.
Best in the game. Best in the game.
So the Jags will start at their own 41-yard line, and Blake Bortles is in the game at quarterback. Blake Bortles with 42 seconds to play here in the third.
Come on, fire!
He keeps it on his own read to the 40, to the 45-yard line. Blake's got a first down. Blake Bortles kept it on his own read, something he does very, very well.
Well, the reality is that since the first offensive drive, Cody Kessler has led the offense on 7 drives for only 57 yards of offense. If you're trying to win a ball game, you've got to try to change it up.
Forbath was good from 33 and 41 a week ago. Missed from 56 today. This one's a short one. Cook puts it down. Forbath kicks it up, and the Jaguars have the lead. The kick is good, and Jacksonville has taken the lead here at Hard Rock Stadium, 10-7, with 10:54 to play in the game. First and 15 after the penalty from the 32-yard line. Play fake, dropping the throw. Fires to the right side. A ball picked off. Telvin Smith is going to walk it into the end zone. A pick six for Telvin. And Jacksonville has extended the lead at Hard Rock Stadium.
What a play by Telvin Smith. Ryan Tannehill's looking deep and then decides to throw it short. And when he does, he doesn't adjust his feet. He tries to throw it to the outside with his feet facing down the field. He gets no velocity on it. Telvin makes an easy interception, stepping in front of the back and taking it to the house.
Jacksonville leads by 10 points. A 32-yard interception returned by Telvin Smith.
Do it again. Do it again.
Then you took it across the field with him. Because I thought we was going up there. Then you took it over there. I said, all right, we're going over there then.
Boy, does this feel better. 17-7, Jags lead it. 9:34 to play in the ball game. Dolphins from their own 43. And he'll drop. He's going to get hit. He's going to get sacked again. Malik Jackson got there first. Boy, the Jags have reared their head today and have sacked the quarterback.
And the second sack of the year for Malik Jackson. A year after, he recorded 8.
Nice hard coach. That's the meat out the freezer. So you come out the freezer good. Get a sack.
Hand off to Carlos Hyde. Carlos busted out of there into Dolphins territory. 45 near the 40-yard line. Terrific run. Fresh legs by Carlos Hyde. And he gets it all the way down to near the 40-yard line of the Miami Dolphins. Offset eye, 3 tight ends in the game. Hyde, the running back. They give it to Carlos Hyde, running right up the middle. He is going to have the first down and plenty more, and that will salt this thing away. We'll take a knee a few times and get out of here with a hard-earned win over the Miami Dolphins. He got it down to the 25-yard line. Blake takes a knee, and that'll do it. The Jags win it on the road. They beat the Miami Dolphins 17-7.
Let's do it, dog. That's what I'm talking about, man. Way to battle, bro. Find a way to step up in there and get it did, dog. Bro, that's the team effort right there, man. Been reminded, baby. Let's go on to do it. Y'all on Wednesday. Jags on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.